In this video, we will discuss the syllabus of Agriculture Paper 1. Here are the topics. Let's have a look. Hello everyone, my name is Samina. Welcome back to our new video. I am good guys and I hope you are also doing well. In the last video, I have discussed the syllabus of Agriculture Paper 1. In this video, we will discuss the syllabus of Agriculture Paper 1. Here are the topics. Let's have a look. UPSC CST Agriculture syllabus of paper 2, okay, in which the main topics are cell biology and genetics. Number 2, history of plant breeding and crop domestication. Then third is molecular biology and biotechnology. Fourth one is seed production and processing technologies. Fifth is plant physiology. Sixth, horticulture and crop management. 7, pest and disease management. 8, food production and security. So guys, ये हैं मेन टॉपिक्स. अब हम आपको इन्हीं टॉपिक्स को डिटेल में बताते हैं. Number 1, cell biology and genetics, in which you have to study cell structure, function and the cell cycle. Then आपको synthetic structure, function of genetic material, law of heredity you have to study, linkage, crossover and their significance in recombination breeding, mutation and their role in crop improvement, cryptoplasm inheritance and sex linkage characters. Number 2, history of plant breeding and crop domestication, in which you have to study mode of reproduction, selfing and cross techniques. Then you have to study origin, evolution and domestication of crop plant, center of origin, law of homolog series and crop genetic resources. Then conservation and utilization of crop genetic resources. Then application of plant breeding principles, improvement of crop plants. Third one is molecular biology and biotechnology, in which you have to study molecular marker and their application in plant improvement, pure line selection, pedigree, mass and recurrent selection, combining ability and its significance in plant breeding, somatic hybridization, breeding for disease and pest resistance. Then role of interspecific and intergenetic hybridization. Then genetic engineering and biotechnology in crop improvement, genetically modified crop plants. Okay, then come on the next point. The next point is seed production processing technique, in which you have to study seed certification, testing and storage. Then come on DNA, fingerprinting and seed registration. Then you have to study public and private sector in seed production and marketing. Then you have to study intellectual property rights, RPR, issued and WTO impact on agriculture. Then come on the 5-point plant physiology, in which you have to study principle of plant physiology, plant nutrition and nutrient absorption, soil water plant relationship, plant pigments and photosynthetics. Then you have to study respiration mechanism, aerobic and anaerobic, C3, C4 and CAM. Okay. Then you have to study carbohydrate, protein and fat metabolism. Okay. Then you have to study growth, development, photoperiodism and vanillization. Then you have to study plant growth, substance and their role in crop production. Then you have to study physiology of seed development and germination, dormancy. Then you have to study stress, physiology, drought, salt and water stress. Okay guys, it is the detailed syllabus. Then come on the point number 6, horticulture and crop management, in which you have to study major fruit, plantation, crops, vegetables, spices and flowers crops. Okay. The next is practice of major horticulture crops. Then you have to study protected cultivation and high technique horticulture. Then you have to study post-harvest technology, value addition of fruit and vegetable. Then you have to study landscaping and commercial horticulture. Then you have to study medicinal and ornamentic plants. Then you have to study role of fruit and vegetable in human nutrition. Then come on the 7-point pest and disease management, in which you have to study diagnosis of pest and diseases in field crops, vegetables, orchard and plantation crops. Then classification of pest and disease and their management. Then you have to study integrated pest and disease management. Then you have to study storage pest and their management. Then you have to study biological control of pest and disease. Then epidemiology and forecasting of major crop pest and diseases. Then you have to study plant quarantine measure, pesticides and their modes of action. Okay. Then come on the point number 8, food production and security, in which you have to study food production and consumption trend in India. Then you have to study food security, growing population vision 2020. Then you have to study reason for grain surplus, national and international food policies. Then you have to study production, procurement, distribution, constraint. Then you have to study availability of food grain, per capita expenditure on food. Then come on trends in poverty, public distribution system, and below poverty line population. Then you have to study targeted public distribution system, PDS, and policy implementation in the context of globalization. Okay. Then you have to study processing constraint relation of food production to national dietary guidelines. Okay. Then next is food consumption patterns, food-based dietary approaches to eliminate hunger, nutrient deficiency, micronutrient deficiency, protein, energy, malnutrition, PEM or PCM, micronutrient deficiency, and human resource development, HRD, in the context of work capacity of women and children. Then food grain productivity and food security. Okay guys, it is the syllabus of एग्रीकल्चर पेपर 2. हमारे साथ वीडियो में बने रहे. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम आपको नेक्स्ट सब्जेक्ट के बारे में बताएंगे. ओके, स्टे मोटिवेटेड, स्टे फोकस्ड. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच. हैप्पी लर्निंग.